So yesterday we started by reviewing the slope formula and using slope to find the slope of our best fit lines. And we had our scatter plot and we drew our best fit line through it. And then it was all on graph paper, which was kind of nice. So we picked a couple of points where my line went right through the corner of a grid. Notice it goes to the corner here. It just misses that one. So we picked the point and the coordinates that went here, and maybe another one from somewhere up, right where it hit right on the corner of a grid. We'll call this point 4, 7. I have not labeled my axes well, but make sure you're counting to actually label them. And 12, 11. To find our slope, we did y2 minus y1. So I'm taking the y coordinate here, this 11, and putting it as y2. And the y coordinate down here, the 7, putting it as y1. You can switch the order, that's okay, as long as x2 comes from the same coordinate as the 11. So that means it's got to be the 12. And then x1 has to come from the same coordinate as the 7, so the 4. So then I simply subtracted 4 over 8 equals 1/2, or we converted them all to decimals by using our calculators, 0.5. So today we're talking about a unit rate. And a unit rate is just a slope in this, except I need to put the units up. So I'm going to use some of the data from page 478 in the book. And we're going to do problem 1 on 479. It asks us to find the unit rate that compares Mia's change in weight to her change in age from ages 4 months to age 6 months. And at age 4 months, our data table on 478 says she weighed 13.7 pounds. And at 6 months, she weighed 17 pounds. So as coordinates, I could write that like this. And then I'm just going to plug them into the slope formula. So again, I'll do y2 here by 17 minus 13.7 over 6 minus 4. Again, 17 and 6 are both the first ones. They have to go together in my fraction with the first over second. And when I do this, I get 3.3 over 2. When I stick that in a calculator, I'm going to get 1.65. To write it as a unit rate, I put it over 1.65. I put the units, the y units was pounds per 1 month. Okay, so that is number 1 on page 479. Continue working on these.